What's up? It's the Scrappy one, Scrappy Pat. They just messed up our yard so bad this year. We got a new road put in this last year, which was nice, but they had to do some work with the water system, so that was all dirt. There's a big thing of dirt on top of that fresh patch of grass, and they put dirt and seed on it, and it wasn't growing. I finally said, you know what? Let's get that real grass. Alright, so it's been about 12 days. And we're coming along. We're finally getting some good sprout ups coming. So, alright, so we're about 16 days in now. Alright, looks pretty good. That's what it looks like when you drive by. We're keeping it a little higher now.